hi, hello, my name is Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is a fun purple look for festival season. If it's still festival season. I don't actually know when festival season ends or even starts. But anyways, if you're going to a festival or a party or a concert and you love purple like I do, then here's the look for you. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So we got to start with a good base. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer to make everything nice and smooth and as perfect as possible, because skin is not perfect. Nobody's is. So I'm just putting this all over. Next for foundation, I'm using the new Cover FX Power Play foundation. This stuff is life-proof, basically. Waterproof, sweat-proof, oil-proof, basically. So if you're oily, don't worry, it's not gonna break down on you. Once this stuff dries, it does not move. It's kind of amazing. So I am putting this all over. Next, I'm just popping on some concealer. This is the NARS. I almost said Radiant Creamy again. This is not what this is. The Soft Matte in the shade Custard. And blending that in with my Micro Mini. And setting all of everything with my Mercier powder. So first under my eyes and the rest of my face. And then for my brows, oops, that was a little too low. For my brows, I'm using Cabral from Benefit. Priming my eyes with my Pro Prime. Okay, I kind of have a vague in general idea of what I want to do with my eyes, so like bear with me for a minute. I'm going to start with my Distortion palette from Urban Decay and use this shade right here. What is it called? Which one are you? This is Trash Talk. And I'm going to put this in and above my crease as a transition color. Next, I'm going to take my electric palette, you can't see that, the electric palette, and I'm going to take Jilted, which is right here. And I'm going to do a halo eye, so I'm going to put this on the outer third-ish kind of area, and on the inner third-ish kind of area. And then I'm also going to connect them through the crease. And give it all a little blend. Okay, going back to Distortion, I'm going to take Velvet. I'm going to deepen up the very inner and outer corners. It's so hard to get right in your inner corner. And give that a blend. Okay, for the center of the lid, I'm going to take Trash Talk again. And put that right here in that blank space. And then I'm going to pick up Blur, which is this Transformer shade, and layer that right on top. Okay, I want a little bit more contrast, so I'm going to take Blackout from the Distortion palette, put that on the inner and outer corner, and blend. That's better. See the difference? Much better. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Velvet again, and just bring that all the way across. Give it a blend, of course. And then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm just going to take Blur by itself. Brow bone. And not so much like here in the inner corner, like where we created the depth. More on like this side, like here. So that's the eyeshadow done. This next stuff I'm going to do off camera. I'm going to apply black liner to my tight line, purple liner to my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be back. Here's the eyeshadow done. Nice and fun and purple and bright. So let's finish off the face. Contouring with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. Definitely need some cheekbones for this very bold look. Bronzing with my Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced. I'm still using the very sad one. For blush, I'm going to use one of the Love Flush blushes from Too Faced, and I'm going to use this deepest purple one, which is Your Love is King. And I'm just popping that on my cheek. To highlight, I'm going to use one of these. This is from Cover FX. It's the Shimmer Veil. This one is in Amethyst. So it's like a little doe foot applicator. And I'm going to put just a couple dots on the top of my cheek. And blend it with my finger. Whew, oh my, oh me, oh my. It looks cool. might have put a little bit too much though, but that's okay. Okay, I'm not going to put that down my nose or on my Cupid's bow because I'm going to look crazy, so I'm just going to go back to my Distortion palette and take Blur and use that. Put that down the nose and pile it onto my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to keep the lip kind of nude but still in the same color family because I kind of want this to be the main focus. So this is one of the, what are these called? Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses from Urban Decay, and this one's in Backtalk. So here is the finished festival look. Nice and colorful and fun and glowy and sparkly, and I just love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!